Hi everyone, this is the second video in the Go series. This will be focused on building and running in Go. In the last video, we've seen how to create a simple program in Go using Hello World as the example, and how to run that on the command line. This video, we have a really similar program to Hello World, but it's just replacing the text and it's saying running main.go here. We're going to talk about briefly a recap on how to run files in Go. We do go run main.go. Go run command is actually going to run the file up here. See, it says running main.go, which is executing everything in that main function. So now I want to talk about the power of building in Go. When you build in Go, it actually creates a binary executable, which is really powerful because you can run it from one command. Let me show you an example. We do go build, do main.go. We can see that it created this executable file here on the left called main. If we do a quick ls, you can see that this is highlighted because it's executable. And if we just run this file from the path, we see running main.go. We've took our entire program and we've built that into one executable binary that we can essentially ship anywhere out that we want. Any directory, any computer, it's going to run the same. The nice things about this is you can even rename what you want that binary to be. So let's say if you create a program and you want that program to be named a specific name, you can do go build -o as the output. Say program, and you specify the file that you want to compile here. So main.go. Now, if you look on the left, we have another executable binary, which is called program. Run program, and what will happen? We have that program that is created, it's just renamed as a different file name. There's another thing I want to mention is if you get more involved programs that have multiple Go files, maybe as libraries or whatnot that are using a library, let's say you have a math.go and a main.go, you're using some of the functions from math.go in main.go, you may want to combine two files in one to make one binary. So you can actually run a go build main.go and math.go. You have two different files. If this doesn't make any sense right now because maybe you're newer at programming and libraries and how functions work, stick with me because this is just a basic overview and this video may be viewed later on when you have multiple files and you're trying to figure out how to actually build these file multiple. We will review on how to create these, how to import files, and how to chain things together, and how to create more functions outside of your main file. So I hope this was helpful. The next video will be on project layouts in Go and some good practices around like general file structure.